So I am repeating, friends. Those of you missed out, you can note down once again. So I told you, whenever you get a problem on reconciliation, you should know how to plan your presentation. You always plan lengthy presentation, give spacing, don't jumble. Step by step they will give marks, friends. Remember, in examination you will get marks step by step. There is one way is you can start with, there is no hard and fast rule, friends. You can start with computation of variances, then come to reconciliation, or other way round. But these two, what happens to in the examiner, friends, when that man sees the answer tallied, he will just give you that full marks and he will finish it. Therefore, step by step marks will come when you do mistakes. So, you have to experiment yourself. Today night you should go home and rework this matter, that side. Then you will get your own comfort. Don't, you see, we are all reading in the YouTube, seeing the YouTube. Suddenly they will say, this food is very good, they will say. This food is not good, they will say. First of all, every idiot keeps on writing in the YouTube and tells all rubbish. So, your body you only know, friends. You understand? You just don't like that read and then change. If it's good, you change. If the good, they say morning you get up, do yoga, go for walking. Some people morning get up may not like it. They'll get giddiness later. This yoga, these postures you should do, and like that. But by now your body is accustomed to something. Your way of eating. Rule number 1 is whenever you eat, don't eat full. The tummy should not be so much bloated like that. Eat very half. Always eat any number of times when you are hungry. These all some laws are there. I am not going into food dietitian, but to give an example. So, I am explaining you one way. Concept you understand. Concept understanding every student understands. But examiner pleasing is your job. Correct? Everything you should know. What you know, I won't know. The way in which you express, I will remember. So, you decide. But now I am explaining in one particular way. First page, you do this. Profit as per budget. Reconciliation means what? I 5,100, 30,600. But I got sold only 4,850. There's some profit I got. So why? We are going to do a tally. Probing, investigation. And so the first step is to compute the variances. Sales price variance. We are going to fill up. Material price usage. Rate, idle time, efficiency. Variable overhead expenditure variance. Variable overhead efficiency variance. Expenditure, capacity. Fixed overhead expenditure, capacity, efficiency. Administration selling, actual profit. Working note 2. Actual profit statement. Sales. Material, labor, variable overhead, fixed overheads and administration expenses. Computation of variances. Actual production 4,850. Standard quantity 4,850 into 0.5. 2425 kgs. Standard hours 4850 into 2. 9,700 hours. Actual hours payable 8,500. Idle time 500 hours. Actual hours worked 8,000. Budgeted hours 5,100 into 2. 10,200. SQ, AQ, AQ. So 9,700, 9,200, 9,800. This is this material usage. Labor efficiency, idle time, labor rate variance. Variable overheads, variable overhead expenditure. fixed overheads. So now the most important is sales variance. Sales variance. See, increase in sales or decrease in sales. Suppose sales increases by 10,000 or decreases by 10,000. Profit impact will not be 10,000 because you have to incur some cost. Similarly, this one. So, increase in sales or decrease in sales volume will not affect anything, but sales variances, sales margin, volume, that will affect the profit. Similarly, sales price, both will have impact on the budgeted profit. Here, sales margin volume variance. Actual quantity sold is 4,850. Budgeted quantity you want to sell is 5,100. And then budgeted margin is 6 rupees. So 1,500 adverse. Profit will be down. Sales volume, sales price, sales margin price and sales price will always be same. Any increase in sales due to price entirely becomes profit. Correct? Suppose 1,000 rupees sales, 800 is cost, 200 is profit. Sales, cost, profit. Suppose you sell 2,000 units, this will be 1,600, 400 will be profit. Increase in sales is 1,000, but increase in profit is 200. This is called sales margin volume variance. Correct? But sales price you take the same thing, 1,100 is the sales price, cost will be same, so 300 is the profit, 1,000, 800, 200, so this is plus 100, this is plus 100. So increase in sales entirely becomes profit, increase in sales entirely becomes profit, whereas increase in this becomes, only the volume becomes profit, right? So we have got it, this one we got it. Sales price variance, you see, calculation of sales price variance. Actuals price minus budgeted price. Actual price more means favorable, actual quantity. Actual price is 95,600 divided by 4,850. You don't take fraction, friend, never do that, because I'll tell you why. Budgeted selling price is 20, actual quantity sold 4,850. This and this will get cancelled. So 95,600 minus 97,000, 1,400 favorable, 1,400 adverse. Sales price variance. Okay, over. Are you clear? Are you clear, friends? Yeah. Somebody wants, or you can wait for 2 minutes. Lakshmi. Okay, ma, I'll wait for you.